guys, welcome back to another video. This morning we are going to Kingston. I'm going to renew my passport. Yes, I'm going to take you along with me on our journey to Kingston. Me and my mother, I have to get up very early. Look, nobody not up on the road at 4 o'clock in the morning. At them time she catch the bus to go at home. People want to see how far she walk and left me. Now waste time. So this is Seaford Town Center. You can see ghost town. My mother said we have to come out early to head to Kingston very early in the morning. And that's what I do. Why we have to go early, Mama?
Because you have to get an early ticket. To join the queue, they want 6:30.
You want me 6:30?
First, sir, forget
My mommy said first come first.
Yes.
Gonna miss me when I'm gone?
Sure.
All right, right this way. So people, I'm at the passport office and I'm just waiting outside because you can't go inside. Oh, Mama. It's me and my glasses because I'm a business lady today, okay? So I'm wearing my glasses because girls can't see no fine print. Mommy tired. You tired, Mama?
Want sleep?
Hi guys, I'm in New Kingston.
Okay.
Where we going, Mommy?
Devon House.
Want to go to Devon House.
Up and all over.
Okay, so let's go. Come down, Mama. Take your time, Mama. Mama, worry too much. We're going Devon House. So we have come out for the bus now. I am renewing my passport at the passport office in Jamaica, and I'm doing the same day service. So instead of sitting at the passport office outside and just looking at each other, I decided let's go to Devon House to eat some ice cream and just have a chit chat with my mom. She's a bit emotional, guys, so bear with her. So let's go to Devon House. Devon House. Me and my mommy gonna eat ice cream and have a chit chat. She'll read and she'll observe. Walk up, Mama. We sit and do a chat. Hey, Mom. Hello, Mom. Just a bad mama, you know. Huh?
Oh, God.
Who wants to send it to the next side?
The
So Devon House ice cream is here, but we are a bit early, so we have to wait till 10 o'clock. What time we have to wait for, Mama? 10 o'clock. Today I am at Devon House. I'm gonna have an ice cream with my mommy, and I'm also gonna ask her a few questions about how she felt when I was leaving Jamaica to go to the United Kingdom. You know, England or UK to say, aka. Yes. So at first I was excited to go, and I was also happy at first, but a bit scared knowing that I haven't been to the UK before, and knowing that I'm gonna go there and I might not come back, which did happen. Left Jamaica 2000 and I didn't came back until
Not 12 birthday.
Mummy at 12.
Being a 12 birthday.
Okay guys, my mom is correcting me. She said I came back to Jamaica in 2012, so 12 years after. Okay, my mom is correct. As usual, mommy is always right. Now, what I must say, at times I felt like coming back home. And then when I remember, when I come back home, when me I go do? Cause that don't make no sense. Come back home and come look for you. That would make no sense. I'm not work, I have no money. So why would I come back home? I managed to work around in the system until I got my papers, and also I studied dental nursing. And Mrs. Annabelle and Mr. Annabelle, they took me over. Yes, that's my mom and dad in the UK, Mr. and Mrs. Annabelle. What do you honor your head?
So why you gonna take out that?
Me not know. We're gonna start over and do it over. So people, me I talk to my mom, and all me can see she dey pan with her hand on her head. You know what she has stressed about? Me soon gone. And yeah, I fret, she afraid me soon gone. But mommy, me I go come back. I'm able to go and come, so that's fine. No need to worry anymore. So this is just a little quick chit chat with my mom and how she felt when I left the Jamaica to go to the UK. So mom, tell them how you felt when I left.
Well, I feel a little bit sad.
You felt sad?
Yes, because you're gone.
Me gone. But I went away to get better, to do better for myself. That was it. She don't want to talk much. Right now I think she's getting emotional because she know after me gone and she watched the video here, she had to feel away. But mommy, you don't need to feel away because your daughter is here and I'm able to go and come. Lord God, the lawnmower now I make nice with it. That's my mama. That's my mama. Thumbnail. Hello, mom. We are now going inside of Devon House ice cream. We're gonna get ourselves something. I want a cone. I don't know what mommy wants. Grape nuts and rum and raisin. Ice cream. So wanna see the price for the ice cream? Yeah. So people mean a Devon House and my mother order our ice cream and she look for the price. He said actually you have to treat yourself sometime, you understand? Thank you. You're welcome. So people, I took grape nut and rum and raisin. Mommy. So people say my ice cream there. Who vex? Eh?
How much sugar?
What? So people, I'm at Devon House ice cream with my mom. She was asking about the price. So I said, Mommy, stop watch the price. We have to treat ourselves. So my mother was like, boy, Lisa, the ice cream expensive. I say, yes, Mommy, it's Devon House ice cream. You know, we have to treat ourselves now and then. So Mommy, don't worry about the price. It's your day. Now I lose no weight down here. I come to gain more weight. Wow. Not a weight now I lose. I'm there at Devon House. So people want to take me come to lose weight? Duh. So people, I'm eating my ice cream at Devon House. It's very expensive. If you don't have your money, don't come here. Hmm? want some? You want some? My mom is eating her ice cream. So, you know, girl, I have to do one little photo shoot. So, I just set up the camera and make sure it record as a video. And then I'm going to edit it and turn them into photos. Yes. So, it's just a little photo shoot for me right here. God, Elisa. I'm going to make my mom do the same thing also. Because, you know, when I have cameraman, me not have nobody for hold the camera as such, and me need to take some photograph also. Now it's my mom's time. Hey, my mommy, I get used to the camera, you know, and I ramp with her, you know. When me finish with her, she gonna love this camera business. So she stay there going like she shy. As she me come bout, camera upon her. Devon House Mansion is one of Jamaica's most celebrated historic landmarks in Jamaica. Mr. George Stabell, he gained his wealth from gold mining in South America. Stabell was among three wealthy Jamaicans who constructed elaborate homes during the late 19th century. At the corner of Trafalgar Road and Hope Road, this corner fittingly became known as the Millionaire's Corner. Devon House was declared a national monument in 1990 by the Jamaica National Heritage Trust. This was done under the instructions of the Right Honorable Edward Seaga, who was then Minister of Development and Welfare with the responsibility for cultural affairs and later Prime Minister of Jamaica. She is tired. What tired you? People should stress. What? So behind the background is Devon House. Yeah. My mama is tired. She's taking a semi nap in her daughter's lap. She's my little girl. She's like a baby now to me. So now I'm the adult and mommy's now the baby. So when your parents get old and can't go any further, you're gonna have to take care of them like they're the baby. That's how life is. Life is not the safe, the smooth sailing like that every day. Kiki kaka. No. Things gonna get rough. Things gonna get tough. So when we first came, you know, the following day or 2 days after, I should have went and looked after my passport. But no, girl was busy going out and having a little fun. You know, Alicia, she just have to have a little fun first. Now it's time to go home, and now it's time I'm getting very serious and doing stuff. That's just life. So we are leaving Devon House right now. And my mommy gets a little rest. You get a little rest?
Lie down and sleep on the bench, the tough bench.
You lie down and sleep?
On the tough bench.
We're going back to the passport office to collect my passport. So that building is the passport office. Mama, the sun a burn ya? I'm glad I not have no Talia. I did over here, so because now we have to come back and sit and wait for the passport. And I tell us that the sun I do it bad. But as I said to you guys, I need the vitamin D. And I'm getting the vitamin D. And mama tired of me. What are you waiting? 11 past 3. So people 11 past 3 this morning, mommy wake me up. And then start getting ready. And now, girl is what girl got to do, what girl got to do. I finished with my passport. and I'm going home. So my day finished and I'm tired. So we're gonna end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.